What's up, you guys? So, welcome back, or should I say, is glad to be back. Today is Sunday, and I don't know what day. I know it's August, maybe what 26, I think. Well, I'm coming to bring you guys a video. I know I've been gone, and I just don't feel like being on camera. For one, your girl got a mask on. For two, yeah, got a little swole up. And just to make sure that I allow you guys to remain focused, because we got a lot of the ones that just want to point out those soft spots. For those reasons, I'm going to continuously, for this video, just have it as a voiceover. But your girl loves your pictorials. But yeah, we want to remain focused on the quality content that I'll be bringing you today. Okay. Anyway, so I hope I'm not speaking too low for you guys. I try to, speak a little bit louder, but in the morning time when people are a little still asleep, and when you just woke up, your voice is so like sexy and voluptuousy, and all that syrupiness, So I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and enjoy this today. Just kidding. So, first and foremost, I want to thank you guys so much for the love and support. I am continuously, trying to create content, and I have been going through my phones. I always record things that I do. I always, again, record things that I do. I always do a number of projects, and I always record it, but I really don't understand why I never upload it. Yeah. So, you got issues, just like everybody else, we got issues. But yeah, so I am creating content, but I said until I get the stuff that I want in the right, how do I say, how I want it, I will make it a point to upload information and stuff that I've already created for you guys, or just create it, and I want to allow you guys to see some of the things that I've created. I'm well known as the cardboard queen. I create pretty much just about anything with cardboard. So that's one of my other talents. I dibble in all the little stuff, dibble in this, nibble in that. So yeah, I want you guys to go ahead and leave me a comment letting me know how you like this video. And again, expressing I love the support and the love that you guys give me continuously. The comments, I do read them, and I am beginning to read them more now. Got a different phone, so hopefully I'll be able to bring you guys some more quality content for you to see. And of course, I'm going to do some vlogs, and of course, I am into your girl been cooking. Your girl been cooking so good that people are really requesting me to do meal prep. And if you got some information about it, holla at your girl. Give me some information. Help a sister out. Because I got some scrumptious, delicious meals, that I've been cooking and creating, but I just don't know about, how to package it and put it together. So if you know somebody who has some information, or some information, go ahead and share with your girl. Videos that are coming after this voiceover is what I've pre-recorded. So give me some ideas in the comment section below. Rate, subscribe, and comment. Love you, my love bugs, and you guys have a blessed and beautiful day because you are worthy. Yep, I said it. You take it and run with it, girl. Bye.
All right, here you guys go. So, this is the tower that I made. And it's 8.5 feet tall. I'm not sure how wide it is. But again, the wires that you're seeing are the trellises I got from Dollar Tree. And the wood 1.5 by 1.5s are from Home Depot. Dollar Tree is $1, of course. And the little plank things, 1 by 1 by 1.5 by 1.5, so those were $1.97, I think. The trellises at the top, I kept them the same. However, the ones on the side, in the middle, I bent the little squigglies inward. The ones on the bottom, I left it that way. So Got a hole popping. All these shoes about to be hung up, and we'll see how it looks when I'm done. Stay tuned. All right, here you guys go. That is the Diva Stiletto Tower. Hope y'all can hear me all right. So as you can see, I done got most, I think it was like 20 some odd pair. 20, I think 24, 25 pair that I got on here. Of course, I still got more. This is just a bag, but I'm telling you, I got way more. About 2 more garbage bags full of shoes. I just put some wedges because, you know, wedges can't fit on the rack. So I'm going to stack them at the base down here. I took my boots, some of my boots, and clipped them on the back. Because at first I was just going to do 1 layer of trellises on the front, which is this side right here. But I'm actually going to do another that I started. Oh, you can't see it. I'm going to take it down. Another layer of trellises on the back. See, I didn't paint the back part because it's the back. Nobody sees that. But anyway, but yeah, so I even hung some shoes up backwards. So I have shoes going in from the front and then shoes going in from the back. I hang stuff up with on the back of this with my clip here. Of course, Dollar Tree. But yeah, so I think what I'm going to do is make it like a book where it can open, or it could be, this space is really small as you enter the door area right here. This is a makeshift closet. I have a freestanding closet. And so pretty much I'm going to make it to where it'll go this way and that way. I might make it to be rotating, but I don't know. I'll keep you guys updated. But there you go. The tower. Told y'all. I ain't playing. Next up.